Solo vintage.
Hold on. Wait. Solo, help me.
Oh, please help me.
Oh! Crazy. This is what's up, you know what I'm talking about?
Like, subscribe, and comment if you haven't already. As a disclaimer, I'm not sponsored by any of these brands or companies. Yo, what's up everyone? It's Stefan Sandoval. Gonna give you my thoughts on this crack independent truck. Now, in this video I'm not gonna say nothing negative about independent because I think that these are really good trucks and they're really durable, long lasting. This happened to me, I would say in a year, almost a year and 6 months. I would say a year and 6 months of pure skateboarding right here. See, look, got a groove from my crooks, got a groove from feebles, some 5.0s here and there, and yeah, these are size 144. These are the standards, not the hollows. And another thing I have a problem with the hollows is I always break the kingpin, but this is a rare case for me. As you can see, I broke the hanger right in the middle. So luckily I had another pair. Like I said before, these are 144s, and these right here are 149s. These are a little bit wider of a truck, and I had just switched the hangers. I still have the base plates from these 144s, but I just switched the hangers, and yeah, I've had these trucks for about 3 years, and these are really good trucks. They're heavy, yes, but I mean, you can't beat it. Look, just a year of just pure skateboarding in skate parks and the streets. $149s, $144s. Now, if I'm not mistaken, independents are a guarantee for life. So yeah, these are not the worst trucks in the world. Just to give a conclusion on these trucks, these are really good. But like I said, I know independents on the trucks, they say that these are guaranteed for life. Thanks everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and comment. Stay blessed and stay skateboarding. See you guys in the next video. Now I'm gonna get into this. Independent trucks. You say that your product is guaranteed for life and your slogan is ride the best F the rest, and then this happens to you. This just happened to me yesterday. I went street skating, and then I went to the skate park, and then look at this. Just look at this. It broke. Look at that. And like you can see like the inside of where it broke. See? But yeah, it's just, I don't know what to say anymore, man. I just don't know what to say anymore. This independent truck right here, I had taken it to Lowe's. This is a strip bolt, and they couldn't even take it out. But like I said, it's a good product. You know, I wouldn't stray away from it. It's not a gimmick. You know, this is the real deal. But just like anything, you know, it'll fall apart. You know, when you really get into it, it'll fall apart. No disrespect to these brands or companies, but it's just, like I said, as a skateboarder who's been skateboarding for a long time, and as a consumer, you know, this really discourages me. But now for me, it's come to a point where I'm just gonna start my own thing. Like, I already have my solo grip tape right here. This is gonna be the start of a new era for me. Coming soon, more solo grip. Real quick, I want to give you guys my history of crack trucks. So these were a Thunder 149 truck, and as you can see, there's a mean crook groove. There you go. And then I have these Ventures, also cracked. So I don't know, for me, and like these independents, the 144s, these are standards, they're not hollows. So I don't know if this is a coincidence, but I mean, I just keep cracking trucks. Leave in the comments below which truck brand I should get next. But yeah, here you guys go. This is Stefan Sandoval. This is my review of the independent trucks. Update from the last video. So I was about to skate one side hollow and the other side standards, but as an early Christmas gift, my brother and my dad got me some new independent 149 standards, stage 11. You know, these trucks they're not bad at all. It's just unfortunate. As you can see, what happened to me here, cracked the hanger on this one, and then on the hanger on this one, I've never experienced this before in my life, but I mean, you can see there. Just for me, I like skating, you know, broken in stuff. You know, I don't like skating brand new stuff besides, you know, a good board, a brand new board. But as far as trucks, wheels, and stuff like that, I like my stuff broken in. But like I said, these aren't bad products at all. They're actually very good. So just gonna keep progressing and keep getting better and not better. So thanks again for watching the video. If you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment. Stay blessed, stay skateboarding. That's right.
Solo grip tape, you know what it is. 2020.
Damn it, dude, what the hell? Are you serious?
I still count it.
Let me do it again. Do it again! Oh, shit!
Damn. Damn.